Kids in 2025, a journey through innovation. In 2025, the landscape of educational tools for children has been revolutionized by cutting-edge gadgets that make learning both fun and engaging. With parents and educators emphasizing the importance of technology in early education, these top educational gadgets are leading the charge in creating a future-ready generation. Let's explore the most innovative gadgets making waves this year. 1. AI-powered learning tablets. AI-enhanced tablets like the Smart Kid Pro 5 have transformed traditional learning methods. Equipped with adaptive AI, these tablets personalize learning plans for kids, adjusting to their strengths and weaknesses. Whether it's math, science, or language skills, the tablet ensures every child progresses at their own pace. With gamified learning apps, kids stay engaged and motivated to achieve new milestones. 2. Interactive coding robots. Robots like CodeBot Jr. are teaching kids the fundamentals of programming in an interactive way. These robots allow children as young as 5 to build their own coding sequences through simple drag-and-drop interfaces. By guiding their robot through mazes or teaching it to perform dances, kids develop problem-solving skills while gaining an early understanding of STEM concepts. 3. Augmented reality, AR, learning kits. AR-based gadgets such as the EduVision Explorer bring lessons to life. With just a pair of AR glasses, children can explore the human body, travel back to ancient civilizations, or witness chemical reactions in real time. The immersive experience enhances comprehension and makes abstract concepts tangible, fostering a love for discovery. 4. Smart STEM toys. Toys like the BuilderBot Lab combine playtime with education. These kits let children construct robots, circuits, or even basic machines. They introduce concepts like mechanics, physics, and engineering in a hands-on manner, sparking creativity and curiosity in young minds. 5. Language learning wearables. Wearables such as the LinguaBand 2025 are perfect for bilingual education. These devices translate spoken words in real time and provide pronunciation feedback. Whether at home or on the go, kids can learn new languages effortlessly, preparing them for a globally connected world. 6. Digital microscope kits. For budding scientists, digital microscope kits like the Nanoscope Jr. are a must-have. These gadgets connect to smartphones or tablets, letting kids explore the microscopic world. From examining leaves to observing microorganisms, these tools nurture curiosity and a passion for science. 7. VR educational platforms. Virtual reality, VR platforms such as Learn VR World are redefining classroom learning. Kids can virtually walk on Mars, visit the Great Wall of China, or dive into the ocean, all from the comfort of their homes. These immersive experiences not only captivate young learners, but also expand their understanding of the world. The future of learning is now. As we step further into 2025, these educational gadgets are not just tools, but gateways to a smarter future. By combining fun with learning, they are shaping a generation that is tech-savvy, curious, and equipped to tackle the challenges of tomorrow. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or tech enthusiast, investing in these gadgets is a step toward empowering the leaders of the future. Start exploring these gadgets today and watch your child's love for learning grow exponentially.